I've been stressing a lot on the benefits of automating the processes. As you know that automation is always quicker, has higher productivity, allows you to access the process and run it anytime from anywhere, can also generate automated alerts so that no follow-up or remembering of the event is required from your side. It also promotes uniformity and makes it easier for you to teach new people to run the same process. So, in a nutshell, what I say is that whatever gets automated gets done. So, that is why I always stress that one should automate these processes. And I will not go into too much detail, but as you know that the manual processes are much more difficult to run and they are prone to failures at multiple steps. And almost all the processes in the company can be automated from marketing to sales to order processing to deliveries, accounts, supports, and HR. So there is hardly any process that you cannot automate. And normally these things are very, very difficult because you would have to develop or get developed a software to do the same. But now this is very easy and this can be done using G Suite and several additional tools that are available free of cost or at a very, very low cost, which is extremely affordable for everyone. So let me talk about one such process. This is a single step approval. So in our companies, we need to give approvals for various type of things, for example, leave applications, for making purchases, and they require that someone should fill the application, they want something from you, and there is someone who will approve the request. And what you want is that all this process should run automatically without any paper needing to be shifted or to be signed by anyone. And whoever takes the decision uh, is able to inform the person who is requesting for it. So let me show you how it works. So in our Tech Mastery program, we teach you how to build these workflows. So as you can see here, this is the mobile form, can be opened on a PC or on a mobile phone. A person can apply for a leave right from this form itself. He can define what type of leave it is, what is the duration, and there is a proper form for this. Once he applies for the leave, the request for the leave is sent to the person who will approve it. So here we get all the details, what is the start date, what is the end date, what is the reason, and we also get a link. The approver gets a link for approving this form. When he clicks on this link, the same form again opens, and this time you can open the approval section. And in the approval section, he gets the option to approve or reject the application. Once the decision is made, you can see the recipient is informed that following decision has been made, and this is the explanation. And for any assistance, so you can customize these emails totally as per your own requirement. And this process can be done for any type of approval. So this is an example of a single stage approval where there is only uh, one approver. So the applicant only has to send these details to the one approver. And the best thing is that all these details are captured here in this Google Sheet. So you can see what time the request was received and who approved it, at what time they approved it. And I also encourage you to also see the video on the multi-stage approval, which is slightly more complex, where multiple approvers can be there. So there can be a department head who would approve the request first, and then that would go to a HR department and then probably come to you. So thank you so much for watching, and do take a look at the multi-stage approval also. So, apart from this, you can go through the amazing automations link here to check what other processes can be automated. So, there are huge number of processes, and it applies, these processes apply to almost all industries and verticals. So, you can select HR and see what other processes can be fully automated in HR, and all this is covered under our tech mastery workshop. So you can please feel free to go through our upcoming workshops, and all these things are covered under the tech mastery workshop. You can click here or you can click here, This is a 8 days workshop which you can attend along with your team, and we help you to run your entire business. Doesn't matter how complex your process is, and everything will run just from a smartphone, and gives you an opportunity to free yourself from all the routine work and focus completely on development and growth of your business. At the same time, this is the only program which offers you a concrete ROI of 35 lakhs based on if you just have only 10 employees. So if you have a larger number of employees, it is even more. And even if you are a single entrepreneur, this program is completely valid, and uh, it will allow you to scale up your business and work like you're having 10 employees. So it will increase your productivity to such a large extent. And if you have more employees, it will improve your productivity even more and help you to utilize them to the fullest possible extent. So thank you so much for watching this video.